Hi, this is Jeff. So today we're going to take a look at item level security using the Me filter. The blog article has kind of the background, business requirements, and overview of the steps, but I wanted to do a video just to kind of walk people through it. So we're looking at a plain team site, the one addition being System Access Review, and if I flip my view to all items, you'll see I have three columns: the system, the access level, and then a team member. This last one is a multi-person column. I'll go check that out in the list settings. And the multi-person column lets us do some really cool things with view filters using the Me keyword to line up with the visitor of the site and present them a personalized dashboard. So here we have allow multiple selections set to yes for team. If I go back in and look at our data, we have a few different people populated. Myself, Jeff, and we have Bill, Michael, Peter, and a couple different variations for different Initech applications with access levels. So with that in place, if we look at the filter view and go check out the settings here, we have a filter for where team is equal to me. And the Me keyword is the visitor of the site. And that's just a fantastic way to give a personalized experience, help people save some time, and get them to where they need to be quickly. So just to test it out, I have three different browsers running as three different users. We have Bill, Peter, and myself, Jeff. And SharePoint knows who I am, as evidenced by the welcome in the top right. And I'm looking at the view, and it has filtered, team equals me to only show items that match with that particular visitor. So Bill is only seeing his records, Peter is only seeing records where he's mentioned, and I'm only seeing the one record where I was mentioned. So I get to see SharePoint, Peter sees accounting and developer, Bill is seeing accounting and the HR reviews. Again, just a very pragmatic way to give people the records they need. In fact, let me minimize this one and retile that so it's a little easier to see with just the two. Now for those of you that are a little more astute, I guess you noticed the contact web part above the list view, and nothing too fancy there. All I did was lay down the contact details web part, and I did three of them, and I used audience targeting so it only shows up for that particular user. It's just kind of something to play with for the sake of this demo. Nothing you could really scale out in order to do for a large audience, but I did make three different audiences, and I used the targeted audience with the contact details web part in order to get that little special effect. Honestly, just to keep up with which window was which, and it gives it a little bit more robust of an experience than just having the welcome in the top right. You kind of get a picture and a job title, which is nice. So that's it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those at the end of the blog post, and thank you for watching.